Yeah, I don't like it in here.
I don't care. We need to get out and plow the snow off the streets. I'm the new guy around here. What do we do anyway? We clear snow off the sidewalks. Isn't that right, gang?
Oh yeah, you got that
right, Bobcat.
Yep. But what if I get scratched up? I don't want that. Don't worry, you'll be okay. Oh look, there's my driver. We better get moving. Hop in. We're going into the city. I guess that means we better go too.
Alright. We gotta go.
We're bringing the whole team into the city today. It's gonna be a big job, but somebody's gotta do it.
You know that.
Hey, wait for me. I don't want to miss this. And I'll be spreading salt all over the road. Look at it, snow. Go get them, big dude. I'll see you on the streets, Bobcat. All right.